knows what's on the other side? If there really is another life, who will live in this apartment when we ascend to heaven? I can't give you certain answers, but like you, I'm afraid. But how I love you, you are everything to me. One day it will end, because this is how this life goes. And when it happens, I wanna leave before you. I couldn't stay at home without finding you. And just thinking about it makes me cry non-stop. One day it will end and I'll be waiting for you in heaven. Let's get another house when you ascend to me. I'm gonna talk to God to ask if it can be done, if He can even marry us. If God tells me it can be done, the angels will be the witnesses. I'll choose the most important church to celebrate this wedding, in a bed of clouds with you, to hug you without making love. But how I love you, you are everything to me. One day it will end, because this is how this life goes. And when it happens, I wanna leave before you. I couldn't stay home without finding you. And just thinking about it makes me cry non-stop. One day it will end and I'll be waiting for you in heaven. Let's get another house when you come up to me. I'm gonna talk to God to ask if it can be done, if He can even marry us. Waiting for you in heaven. Let's get another house when you come up to me. I'm gonna talk to God to ask if it can be done, if He can even marry us. But how I love you, you are everything to me.